What's going on, everybody? Godzilla Options here with your daily setups going into February 9th. So this is the end of day, February 8th. Pretty expected moves or lack thereof on a lot of things inside days for the most part, just because we had the big volatility on Tuesday after Powell spoke. So what we're going to be looking at, a lot of the 2-1s and 3-1 setups, that's where a lot of the consolidation happened today. So we're going to be looking for breaks to the upside or downside. Start with the two continuations that we have with BAD King F and Wells Fargo. F there is interesting with the shooter candle and the two up the end of day today. So we're looking for a 2-down reversal. Got our PMGs to the upside with KO and WMT, another shooter candle there indicating that probably more downside move for Walmart there. So not really looking for a big sweeping move to the upside. Our 2-1, again, 1 bars are consolidation. So BAC, XLF, both with a shooter candle. So we'd be looking to have those go 2-1-2 down tomorrow. So BAC and XLF finance in general, definitely going to be on my list of things to look out for there. Our 3-1s, again, 1 bars consolidation. The 3 bars usually give a little bit more magnitude to play with, though, than the 2-1 setups do. So VDIA, SPY, Apple, and MU all have some pretty good magnitude to the upside. I know SPY, in particular, I was watching today, it did start driving down towards the previous day's lows, but it definitely has some magnitude either way still. So keep an eye out there for those 1 bar consolidations. Again, that was the 2-1 and the 3-1 setup there. We have our failed 2 ups, meaning these actually did go up on the day, but they came back in. They ended up red. So the close was lower than the open, and DIS, MSFT, a lot of tech here, and oil and gas. So that's something to definitely keep an eye on if you're looking for a 2-down reversal there. Again, I'd be looking at XLE and XLK to kind of dictate where that tech stuff's going to be going tomorrow. We have our outside bars down. These took out the previous day's high and low, so even with all the magnitude that might have happened on these particular stocks for the previous day, UAL and UPST, it definitely still has some crazy movement for itself. So UAL and UPST, UAL had that hammer candle though, so that means the buyers have stepped in. I am curious, and I'm going to be watching that one for a move to the upside tomorrow, see if that ends up happening or not. Our 2-down continuations, not touching AMC still. And then we have Intel, Cisco, eBay, PG, and PayPal. So here I'd be looking for a 2-up reversal if anything were to happen. I'm not saying that it's going to, because these are still moving down. Again, really depends what the market's going to be doing tomorrow for us here. But after a day like today where we had the consolidation, it's anybody's guess what could end up happening there. So last but not least, we have our 2-down ones. So again, the 1 bar is consolidation, X, IWM, XLY, and NEO. So consolidation could go up or down tomorrow. We're going to be looking to either take out the previous, this 1 bar's high or low on the daily, and then get in a play accordingly, with that 2-down candle being the 2-down high or low being your price target there. So those are going to be your setups going into Thursday, February 9th. Happy trading.